Forward. After I get everything set up.
I'm already recording.
It's green.
For 4 seconds. 5 seconds. Okay. Well, we're opening up packs today.
It's 4 than 2, right? Or is it 3
Some
than
Forbidden
2?
Light.
It's 4 and 2.
4 and 2 again. That's what I thought.
First pack. Green card. So nothing really for sure great, but maybe. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, no. Wait.
1, 2, 3, flip,
One,
and then
two,
1,
three.
2. Or it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2. You never asked about the flip.
It's 4.
Green code, it's gonna be trash.
Flip. 1, 2.
Wait. I probably messed this up, but oh well. We have to mess it all up.
It's 1, 2, 3, flip. 1, 2, 3, yeah.
Cookies, Pugadiers.
Alright. Some Scatterbug. Hone Edge. Helioptile. Skidoo. Dew Fighter. Lysandre Labs.
Another
Dedenne.
green code.
Go-Go.
1, 2, 3, 4.
And Gabite.
1, 2.
Oh, and a Meowstic.
Delphox. Oh.
Alright, so we got 1 foil.
Magneton, that's nice.
Oh, I got a keyframe. And a reverse hollow Skrelp.
The best Pokemon of them all, a reverse hollow Skrelp.
Hey, I got a reverse hollow
Alright, here's
Gabite.
code card, everybody. Let it focus.
You giving away the code?
Yep.
Alright. We got a white card, so
Better
something good.
Oh yeah, I got one too.
I got a simple green card.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2,
flip.
3.
Reverse full executioner. Ooh, lady.
Alright.
As
So
elf.
let's see what we get. Snover.
Reverse hollow Skidoo. And
Rep.
a foil and Polion.
Bunnelby. Froakie.
Green card. So
Magnemite.
nothing too good.
Ultra
Ooh,
Recon
reverse.
Squad.
Arceus. Prism
Gamora.
Star.
Arceus Prism Star.
And Port.
That's what I got. An Arceus
Porter.
Prism Star.
Isn't that thing like terrible?
Yeah, now that's my third one.
Palkia GX. Alright, boys, let's
I already
go.
have 4 of those.
I already have 2, but okay.
Bunny. Frogadier.
Frogadier.
Why do I get the green code?
And a Porter, Inkay, and a Snow. And Inkay is reverse hollow.
Here's a code card for everybody.
Neat. I ain't giving out mine.
I'm not either.
You ain't go get my codes!
Sorry, guys, but I'm not giving out my codes.
Fuck.
Come on,
Alright.
open up.
Nothing too good from that pack.
White! I'm a white boy.
But are you really?
Yes.
I got more.
Okay,
green.
seriously, I'm getting white and getting shit.
Oh, I got it. Alright, another white card.
Reverse foil, Hoopa.
1, 2,
Nothing else
3.
too good.
Reverse hollow
Flip
Goomy
that, we got
and
a Dark Energy.
Hey.
1, 2.
It's got my Magnezone.
Alright,
Yeah.
I don't need yours.
let's see what we get this time.
Alright. Last pack for, well, almost my last pack. I'm on to my last one for my
Alright,
Ultimate
Noibat.
Plasma.
Birdman.
Once again, a green code.
Of course. What else?
Inkay.
Yeah.
Fennekin.
See, I don't got no luck.
Rockruff.
Ooh, reverse foil,
Fabulous.
Goomy. I'll take that.
Metal frying pan.
Magneton.
It's the
Purple.
trusty drying pan.
Hoopa.
Ooh, reverse hollow Tyrant.
Lysandre
Alright,
Labs.
Zygarde.
Cubone.
Pack.
And Pyroar.
Neat.
Foil.
Zygarde pack, white code. Let's see my luck.
Feel up tile green.
1, 2, 3, 4. Oracle. Gloomy. Hone Edge. Helioptile. Furfro. Grass Energy. Braixen. False Excavation Map. Zygarde. Hone Edge. And a Guzzler GX. Foil.
Beat my Sylveon.
Alright, let's get through this packs. Another green code. Here's a code card for you guys. If anybody ever chooses to watch my videos.
which is why I'm not giving out my code cards, because no one ever does.
Somebody
Alright.
at some point in my life will.
We got a white card again.
Mysterious treasures, reverse flow, Oblivion.
1, 2, 3.
I got an Auroras!
1, 2.
Nice.
Is it me or is Forbidden Light shitty?
Well, it depends on where we get it from, probably.
My third one of these.
I only had one. And all I got was a Guzzlord.
Alright, Cubone,
Another one.
Snover,
Alright, here's a white code.
Bunnelby,
1,
Medical.
2, 3, 4, 1, 2. I'm
Birdmite,
keeping those for last.
Fossil,
Nothing too good out of my comments.
A fossil thingy?
Diggersby, Ultra Recon Squad,
Water.
Heliolisk, Infernape. I
We
got
got this Uxie.
a foil Infernape.
Unit Energy. Immoral.
Hey guys, guess what? I
Sugar.
got a foiple.
Rainbow! Greninja GX.
What?
Fuck you!
Yeah,
God
boys.
damn it.
You're not getting it from me. This is my card.
I don't think he...
And I like it last because I got it from my Greninja pack.
Oh, I didn't even realize.
$23.
I'm not taking your money.
$23.
This is my card.
$23.
This is my card.
$23.
Nope.
$23.
Sorry, but nope.
Fuck you.
Bonnie, I'll take.
Ethan, we all love that card way too much.
You don't even have a water deck.
It doesn't mean I don't like the card. God.
Maybe because he doesn't have the card that he can't have a water deck.
Literally the only card I wanted
Alright.
from Forbidden Light.
Here's
Alright, we
the
got a
code.
green
Here's
card
the
this time.
Code card for you guys.
You know what the funny thing would be?
Okay.
Is if right after he posted, right before he
Malamar,
posted the video,
reverse
used all the
flow.
code.
Alright, that's the end of my video. My only pull, only good one right there.
Krogunk,
Besides my Arceus Prism Star.
Launcher,
You sure you don't
Froakie.
want that $23?
And I will stop my video. I'm not
That's
taking that.
Phone Edge,
But
I got ready Zygardes.
Koopa, Dedenne,
but this one's cooler.
Amara,
I'll trade you Zygarde for a
Okay.
Zygarde because I did buy you that sword.
Beast String.
No.
No, card. I straight up basically lost my card
What?
in my chair.
Neat.
It straight up slid right to the side. So, that's a lost card, but I'll get back at some point.
Yeah, that Zygarde is definitely going in my deck.
Another green. This will be the last pack I'm opening.
Here's a few code cards for you fans
Oh god.
from the other end. Hopefully you guys follow his video. Come check mine out, Green Mercury.
Wow. Channel plug much.
Well, I'm giving them codes.
See, I keep my codes because you have fucking amazing
I gave
decks.
my fans 4 codes. I'm giving your fans 2.
1, 2, 3, flip.
I got Diancie Prism Star.
Yeah, I have that one too. It's pretty OP.
When did you get it?
When I bought that Bill Landers thing
Oh.
over the weekend.
Scatterbug. Inkay.
Honestly, I knew you
Goomy.
were gonna buy that thing. I knew you were.
Goomy.
My mom's like,
Snover.
I asked my dad about that. My
I
mom's
found
like, as long
Fossil.
as I know he's gonna pay me back at some
Spirit.
point. But go ahead. Like
Noibat.
literally.
And Torterra.
So this is one of my 2 cards, and damn it, I can't get to my cards. I can't change up my deck really. The cards are trapped.
Alright, I'm gonna be ending my video right about there. See you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.